So for the question one, the three circle for over them, critically damped and under damped here. So from this circuit, from this group project, we need to select the values of the resistor and capacitor to make the circuits achieve over damped, critically damped and under damped here. So for the first one, we choose the value of 600, and second circuit, which is the value of 316, and lastly, the for the overdamped circuit, which is the value of 158 ohm here. This circuit was a RLC circuit. They have inductor and also have the capacitor here. And also from this question, we need to select the value of the capacitor. The value we select is to 20 microfarad, and the value of the inductor is 0.5 Henry. And also have the push button here to make the circle become t more than 0, t less than 0 to achieve the condition of t less than 0 and t more than 0. So I will just run the simulation. Wait for a second and just for a minute. Okay, here. So to simulate, you need to click at simulate and click analysis and simulation and wait, and you can adjust the start time. I will adjust to 0.001 second, and you can and the output of so this is the output of the three output from the circuit. So basically PR1 is for IV, PR1 is for the overdamped circuit, IPR2 also for overdamped circuit, and VPR3 is for critically damped, and VPR5 is for underdamped, and IPR4 is for critically damped, and IPR06 is for underdamped circuits. So you just need to add to this selected variable and run the circuit. Make sure you simulate in the transition. Okay, so the first time is the value of APR1, and IVR2, so the value of the voltage. This is the graph of the overdamped circuit. This is for overdamped voltage across the capacitor. The current across inductor here. Basically, the current in cross inductor is in short circuit. Okay, so for critically damped, this is the voltage across capacitor, and this is the current across the inductor for overdamped. For critically damped, for critically damped, and the lastly is the voltage for the graph for the voltage of underdamped circuits, and also this is the current. So basically the current for our circuit across inductor are roughly the same, only the voltage change from the value of the resistor. So if you want to see more closely for the graph of the of the current you can adjust, simulate, click analysis, and then set the start time to 0.00 to make it more smaller and run. Because the graph cannot graph the volts, the current if of the is too small to graph. So you can see the change of the current. Start the difference is the change. So for for IPR2, the for the overdam circuit, the graph is straight line, in the straight line, and the graph, the current start to increase and decrease at some point, because the value of the also because the value of the resistor too. So I will continue to the question 2. Let's go.